Still agile, but with more punch, the KTM 890 Duke car takes all the things we love about the KTM 790 Duke and turns it up to 11. This is a no-compromise mid-weight naked bike, equally at home on mountain roads as it is on the race track, delivering more power, more torque and more Dukeness than any parallel twin that has come before. The KTM 890 Duke car casts an intimidating shadow thanks to its menacing profile and ultra-sharp lines. In the metal, however, it's obvious that this Duke means business. Compact proportions, loud graphics and a bright orange frame are all unapologetically KTM-R. Just like the KTM 790 Duke, the KTM 890 Duke car gets a 14-liter steel tank, perfectly profiled to accommodate aggressive and relaxed riding styles. A high-quality application process has been used to ensure the signature R graphics on the KTM 890 Duke car demand respect. Contrasting orange on white sets it apart from anything else in the midweight title fight. Developed from the same parallel twin that powers the KTM 790 Duke, the KTM 890 Duke car engine has been worked into a fire-breathing, high-performance midweight titan. With its increased bore and stroke, higher compression and higher maximum RPM limit, the KTM 890 Duke car churns out an impressive 121 HP and 99 Nm. The KTM 890 Duke car features horizontally split, high-pressure cast aluminum crankcases, allowing for reduced wall thickness and weight. A heavier crankshaft and flywheel setup also helps to pump up torque. A stainless steel thing of beauty. The middle damper centralizes mass and allows for a relatively small muffler that plays a dramatic soundtrack. Hundreds of test bench runs and complex simulations ensured that this exhaust system contributes decisively to the tractable torque curve and excellent emission standards. Just like the KTM 790 Duke, the KTM 890 Duke car's handling characteristics are thanks to the dynamic load-bearing design of the tubular chassis, which allows it to carve through twisty tracks and mountain passes with extreme responsiveness. Just like every other KTM-R, the frame is painted orange to highlight its sporty credentials. The subframe is cast aluminum and houses the airbox. No plastic covers, no additional brackets, everything is cast into two connected pieces to reduce complexity and weight. The triangular shapes in the subframe allow for a stronger, stiffer construction. Adapted to suit the added power of the KTM 890 Duke car, but still retaining the signature Duke agility, the adjustable suspension on the KTM 890 Duke car has been fiddled to be sportier with improved high-speed stability, while retaining real-world street riding comfort. The KTM 890 Duke car features adjustable linear spring WP apex front forks with split-function damping, compression and rebound settings. This allows riders to perfectly sharpen their preferred setup for track or the street. Developed with high-performance street and track riding in mind, the KTM 890 Duke car is fitted with the best brakes in the business. Brembo Stelima monoblock calipers and lighter 320mm floating discs up front ensure sharp and precise brake feel while slowing down from speed. These are further enhanced by a Brembo MCS master cylinder, which allows the rider to adjust the lever ratio and brake feel. Overall, 1.2 kilograms of unsprung mass has been saved compared to the KTM 790 Duke. The tapered aluminum handlebars are positioned flatter, lower and further forward to increase feeling from the front tire and give the KTM 890 Duke car a racier riding position. Riders can also tailor their preferred reach with 3 rotational adjustments and 4 positions of fine-tuning on the triple clamp. At 840mm, the KTM 890 Duke car sits higher than the KTM 790 Duke to give it a meaner stance, but also more lean angle. The pillion seat comes as standard with a Duke signature cover to give the KTM 890 Duke car a sharper, racier look. The LED headlights on the KTM 890 Duke car combine optimal near-field illumination with maximum light output. Daytime running lights ensure that other road users see you coming, which you undoubtedly will be doing at speed. A multicolor combination of relevant information, presented in an uncluttered way. As you rev the engine, the display bars change color, either spurring you on or warning you that the engine's still cold. The display also automatically adapts its illumination to the ambient light. On the KTM 890 Duke car, anti-wheelie and ABS modes are shown in the display. Or KTM, electronic rider aids are a way to provide more control, performance and fun. Riders can choose from 4 ride modes, namely Sport for more aggressive riding, Street for comfortable urban riding, Rain for when things get a little slippery, and the ultimate attack mode track.